Is blank in C++ sees if a character is blank. Let's set up some code so you can see the functionality of is blank. We will have a char array of 3 characters, so chars square brackets 3 equals the array containing space tab and new line. Next, we will loop over these characters. So, for in I equals 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. On each run of the loop, we will see if the given char is blank. So, if is blank of chars square bracket I, inside the if statement, we'll do a printf statement that the character is blank. If we actually ran this code, you would see that space and tab would get a printout from our if statement. That is because space and tab are the only characters that is blank considers to be blank. Like and subscribe to learn more.